Welcome to this video on K3 Fashion. We will show you how the solution offers a product wizard that enables you to create new styles in a fast and easy way. The first and foremost aspect that makes the fashion business different from others is the fact that new products are created and introduced on a regular basis. Even when only working with the traditional spring-summer and autumn-winter collections, a fashion company already needs to create hundreds of styles per year, each style in different colors and sizes, resulting in many thousands of style, color, size combinations. Imagine how many such variants would come with monthly new collections. Needless to say that making the creation of new styles fast and easy is a main requirement. For this purpose, K3 Fashion comes with a product wizard. When starting up the wizard, you can enter the required style number, for instance new 001. We will call the new style new style. We could enter an extensive description, and then we can choose the appropriate node from the product hierarchy, for instance fashion, menswear, casual shirts. The product hierarchy can have as many levels and nodes as you want. Behind every level and node you can define numerous default settings that will automatically be applied to the new style when basing it on a specific hierarchy node, for example for finance, planning and logistic purposes. This speeds up style creation enormously, while at the same time minimizing the risk to make errors. When choosing fashion, menswear, casual shirts, we can see that a number of the default settings are presented. Most defaults, however, stay in the background, going from the starting point that they have been set up in the right way. Only the ones that you may want to change on creating the new style are shown. For example, the fact that this will be a two-dimension product with sizes and colors, and the system will automatically create the necessary variants, the combinations of colors and sizes. We also see some additional information about the wash and care instruction groups and about the brand that is concerned. In the next step, we see a default size group. This size group makes these sizes available for this new style. In the same way, we see a default color group, which makes these colors available for this new style. We see that the wizard also suggests a default ratio curve. Ratio curves are a powerful tool to divide total quantities per style color over the sizes easily. The concept of ratio curves is explained and shown in a separate video. We are now presented a long list of possible size and color combinations from which we can choose the ones we want to use for this new style. We can either choose the required ones manually one by one, or click select all and then manually deselect the ones we do not want to use. But much easier is to click matrix and carry out these selections here. For example, by clicking select all first, and then deselecting the excess size by right-clicking on this column and choosing deselect column, and deselecting the cream by right-clicking on that line and say deselect row, and right-clicking on the purple and deselect that row. Now we have selected 9 colors in 5 sizes each, which makes up for 45 different variants. By clicking OK, we now return to the long list of variants, where we see that only the ones we selected in the matrix now have a check mark in front of them. Next, we have the ability to add one or more pictures to the new style. The next step makes us choose between the different companies for which the new product will be available. This depends on the way how you structure your organization, which choices you need to make here. In the final step of the wizard, you can now see that clicking finish will create the new style with the indicated number of variants and to how many companies it will be released. In this case, the new style New 001 with 45 variants to be released to one legal entity. The result is a completely finished style of which we are now showing you an example. For more details on the full product details, you can watch our video on Product Data Management, or PDM. Thank you for watching our video on the Product Wizard functionality in K3 Fashion. We hope you liked it. For more information on the rich functionality our solution offers for your fashion company, watch our other videos.